yesterday I had so much fun singing our song. There's a clue for what song it was. Can you remember? About the men in the flying saucers? How many men in flying saucers can we see on the board behind me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our numbers to help us. So shall we have a go at singing 5 little men in a flying saucer, as it's one of my favourite songs to sing. I was singing it all day. So we're going to start with 5. 5 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Whoosh! 4 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Whoosh! 3 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Whoosh! 2 little men in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Whoosh! 1 little man in a flying saucer flew round the world one day. He looked left and right, but he didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Whoosh! And we can see there are no men left on their flying saucers flying around the world. Brilliant. Oh, I do like that song. Right, today we're going to think about numbers, and we were counting backwards today, and we noticed that I was taking some numbers off the board. Numbers started to go missing as I rubbed them off the board. So you might use your number cards that you made yesterday, and you might like to see if you can put them out and take some numbers away and see if someone can find out which numbers are missing. So I have found these lovely Humpty Dumpty numbers today. And I'm going to put my Humpty Dumpty numbers up on the board like this. Now I've got some numbers missing. Can we work out what number is missing? 1 is there. Here's a 4. Here's a 5 and here's a 2. So let's say those numbers in order and see if we can work out what's missing. 1, 2. Oh, easy. Yeah. Number 3 was missing from my numbers. Excellent. Well done. Right, let's try another one. This time I'm not going to start at 1. This time I'm going to start at 6. Can we now work out which number is missing? So we're going to count on 6. That's number 7. That's number 9. And that's number 10. So when we're counting, what number comes in between number 7 and number 9? 7, 8. Number 9 is the missing number. So today, see if you can lay out your numbers, take some away, and can someone work out what numbers are missing? And maybe you might like to have a go at filling in some missing numbers on your rocket sheets today, which you've got inside your pack. Move this closer so you can see. So have a look. There's some numbers here written for you, but what numbers are the missing ones? So let's look on our top line first. 6, 8, So let's count. 6. We know 7 comes in there. 6, 7, 8, 9. And one more than 9 is 10. Fantastic. Oh, this next one down looks a bit harder. This looks tricky because I don't know which number I've got to start at. I know I've got a number 4 there and a number 6. Oh, let's think. What comes in between 4 and 6? 4, 5, 6. Oh, but I need to think about what's going here and what's going there. So something, then 4, 6, and then I'm a bit stuck on this one. I don't know. Could I count backwards? 6, 5, 4. Could do that, or I could think when I'm counting. 1, What might come in there? Do you know what? I'm going to go now. I'm going to ask my sevens to help me because I'm a little bit stuck. And we know when we get stuck on things, we can always ask a grown-up to help us and they'll help us to work out the answers. Maybe you could have a go. See if you can pop the answers and email it to me and give me a hand because I'm really confused today. It's Evan!